Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to enable or even disable having Discord launch automatically when you start your computer. What I mean by that is when you turn your computer on, it's going to automatically have Discord launch without you selecting to launch it. So to enable or disable launch on startup, what you need to do is go to your user settings, and then under user settings, go to window settings. And then currently the first option is open Discord on launch. If you want to have it so Discord automatically launches when you turn your computer on, make sure this is turned on. It's green. If you do not want Discord to launch automatically when you turn your computer on, go ahead and deselect this so that it turns off. And that is how you can launch Discord automatically or even disable Discord's automatic launch upon computer startup. I hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.